Hello, today we'll explore an exciting frontier in renewable energy, algae biofuels. These microscopic organisms could be key to solving some of our biggest environmental and energy challenges, from the unique cultivation methods to their carbon-reducing potential. Algae represents a promising alternative tradition to fossil fuels. This is what algae would look like up close under a microscope. Algae is commonly cultivated in ponds. Um, they thrive on sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, using photosynthesis to convert these inputs into biomass. What makes algae remarkable is they can grow in saltwater, wastewater, or even non-arable land, which reduces competition with food crops and freshwater resources. As you can see here, we have a pond. And it's getting sunlight, and then we're magnifying the algae that is grown. Once the algae are harvested, their oils are extracted and converted into biodiesels through trans-certification. In some cases, algae rich in carbohydrates are used in fermentation processes to produce ethanol. During cultivation, algae minimizes respiration and maximizes biomass through photosynthesis. Right now, algae biofuels are in the advanced research stage. A few pilot projects and small commercial operations exist, supported by institutions like the U.S. Department of Energy, and companies such as Sapphire Energy are also one of the supporters. However, challenges like high production costs and technological barriers are definitely slowing down large-scale deployment. Algae biofuels can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Since algae absorbs carbon dioxide during growth, they can offset the emissions released when the fuel is used. Plus, they grow without disturbing farmland or freshwater supplies, and this makes them a very sustainable option. There are a lot of economic pluses. Algae biofuels have strong economic potential, especially with fossil fuel prices rising. They could create a lot of jobs in energy and biotech, and especially agriculture, and reduce the dependence on imported oils. Right now, the cost is high, but continued research can make the algae fuels more affordable over time. Despite all this potential, biofuels still suffer from low public awareness. There are organizations and universities trying to work on the public education of this, but broader outreach is definitely needed. I think we could increase the investment that we're putting into public awareness, the research funding, and incentivize to build the market confidence and demand. When we look for a vision for the future, if funding were not a barrier, we could accelerate progress with a multi pronged approach. We could create a national algae research center, build large scale demonstration products. The possibilities are really kind of endless. We could even invest into genetic engineering to develop high lipid algae strains and launch global education initiatives. With these bold investments, specifically algae biofuels, could scale fast and become a mainstream energy source.